Hello, folks. Good morning. This is Mamadou Kurbale. I just wanted to come out and do a quick Facebook Live. Obviously, 2 days ago, I did do a Facebook Live about the electricity situation in Basse. And because we were really going through a hard time getting electricity in the country. But I will go ahead and say this in Mandinka. Mbadin Gambian call, Mbadin Bassen call, Ntelo Mamadou Kurbale. Ndere nada jang tilifula commento nga Facebook live kele jang pour ka yita courant ko membe basse obviously wato ya tara basse courant tije sunkaro kono molbe ice block ko sankan dalasi kemela so nata Facebook live nga songo ke ndiamu da ko mol ka fo nyame nga je kol falinta sa tilifula courant be basse sa de kono so nyeme yita wala nyinti ko na mansa kunda men kikan ibe judune ala yita kam molla kaatu jannintel nga diamu imam fenfen ninke kuran ko nyina adun laftale basse dingul be la moy nyina gambe dingul be la moy nyina janni nyin kuran problème o be kerine nun karifula komanto nga ko nata nga ko kacha nga ko diamu imam fenfen ninke ka ko la bari birim basse dingul wulta flota diamu la toron then all of a sudden then nyin ko nata nasudo kuran o data biring diamo siata doro e kila ki banjul le biri kila ki banjul doro ye mechanical ki nam basse ya dada so nyaay tale ko ningam fambula na mansa kunda bulu be mo be tuluna mo la nimma wulle nga lo be tuluna mo adum basse dingul nente fanyi nin kala baake munat na fontel si wulile pour nga sonka pour nga diamo pour yena kurangol dada munat na fonsi kilo le ke pour yena nyaay tale ko ma mol horma ma mol respect ma mol bunya because ningi bule sawola droita kela ningi bule is sawola droita kela so wala na maje prim wulta del benata ndiamu de tron ya fani so nyeme yita wala nyindi ko kufula e be jutri molla le je ya lonne ko basse be jamfaren ko lele be derine na mo jamal be derine ite dogo kala je bar ni wulta ni ndiamu de tron munati na mo wulta ndiamu ta less than 24 hours e mechanical key ka bonam banjul pour kana basse pour kana nyindara so nyeme yita wala nyindi ko den membe diamu kam mon me yamere ko na diamu le siara na diamu siara we know what we're doing. We're going to push this government. We're going to make sure that the reason why we're paying them, we elect them into office, that iba jolale ibi naleje i doko kije so base dingul mbal danile ay wuli bira wulta al lota tro kolbe falenda bin na sade ko na karamul be tamakan mbadi wul be tama fenke ye kuran soto ice da jita ji suma be kere sunkaro kono wo dromu dualde wo dromu barkolti so adinga wulinga long ko na nyindiamu mem bala teng amanki diamo furinti de diamo mem wolom nyinti ko be la moy kanne they are listening to us but ningan de dron ite fenfenin kala je bar ni wultan diamo de dron they're going to fix things so once again parce du mo woni be la moy kanyena isalon ko ngin sonko men ke wala na bi courant be mallim parce nimma ke no atimalla so I just wanted to come and just thank all the engineers for your milking and kabonam banjul kara Mustafa Danso ñol melbe passé momondi yalon ko e wulta pour ñin dara nte lafta ñi ñina la we don't need anything else lafta men adoro wolam ko man sa kunda ñanta men kela o nawet ñanta men kela yake nin courant ñanta tamala courant tamandi nin courant tiñata taye pato sa wala dina al balla motol sanna al be tal al campagne we could care less but men fana ñanta skela basse sa do kono fasi kije naman kije you can be assured that we're going to get up and we're going to talk. And nobody needs to thank these people for doing their job. It is great if you do it. But nawek biriala GMO, bring president of four nawek la GMO to ni mechanical tire kije, you don't have to thank them at all. It is their job, it is their expectation. That is why they ran for office. That is why they were appointed for these positions. So we will congratulate the engineers. But those people may along ko nyantela doko kala no imake saying along ko engine nyil coolant problem lum water coolant and oil coolant whatever it is they know the parts ya lonne in the monkey mechanical but parts of maintenance ya maintenance de is best you wuli sa yeta ye pato nin sa ya nati because jannim problem on ye wuli ko reke nyine be keri machine nyili ye fix le tron ime dara ye maintenance le tron pour ye bori hani bi parts of maintenance je or parcel it may order follow they need to order them so let them know that we're watching very closely. Thank you very much. I just wanted to come out and do a follow-up and I'll be back again if things don't improve in Basse. You can believe that we live and die for Basse and the Gambia and we don't fear anything. We're going to stand our positions. Nime doko ke we will let the things go by. But Nimandoko, okay, we're going to be out here, we're going to talk to you. The disrespect, enough of it. Our people lived all their life in the Gambia. They pay taxes, they contribute to national development. The loans that you take is in the names of the people. Odonna mol inyanta kurang sotolale inyanta jio sotolale. Olati nante kale ko alinga nyi mansa kunda bondenga UDP mansa kunda kiye. Minale ko rek be kachakila je e man sobe ya mansa kunda me yalon ko be sirinje ni mol me de kelendile itere kukela ni mol man sonkole ke itere kukela o manki man sakunda. The Gambia deserves better, and I think Gambia should get proactive leaders mele alon ko be silale e Gambia problem o jibe ya dara. So thank you so much, and I have to go ahead and take on the LA traffic to work, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.